So today we're gonna fix one thing, not fix, and to be honest, I don't know if it's gonna look better though. So bear with me, because what are we gonna do? I think I got the keys for the car. No, please don't tell me that it's locked again. No, it's not, haha. Corvette Carlisle. I got new side markers for this baby here. Those are, what is this? Those are Morimoto's side markers. We're gonna install them today. And also, we're gonna talk about the new headlights for the C6. Let me open this door. I basically don't have any space between the cars, the trucks, baby sitting here. What is that? Spider? Come on! What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here, as always. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Two things. We're gonna install that side marker, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. But before, I want to talk about the new headlights for the C6. The VET lights just released. Dude, a lot of people ask me why I didn't get the C7 style, but the C8's pretty sick. In other words, you guys know Mia, and my dog is always with me, right Mia? So you gotta be here. I always want to change the headlights. I don't really like the style of headlights the C6 comes with, which is body color style. To be honest, that's ridiculous. That sucks, unless your car is black. But other car, like even the red on this car, it looks awful. So what I did back in the days, and I'm gonna leave the link for that video here, I replaced the lens on this one and I paint the housing black, and so far it looks way better. I think it blends with the car. To be honest, this probably was one of the hardest job that I did on this car, because I had to put the headlights apart, put in the oven, and so on and so forth. Dude, I remember that was a nightmare. Even painting, the paint's not super in great shape, but just putting new lenses on this car, the car looks way better. Like you gotta agree that this black and red going on fits the car perfect the way it is. A bunch of people ask me why you don't upgrade for the C7 style headlights. I always wanted one. I'm gonna be you know, honest with you guys. I always wanted one, but I think it's too much money. But what I mean is too much money. I think I had more stuff to do than actually think about headlights. Headlights are like just cosmetic. I rather put like exhaust. Part of my can swap was probably like the price of the freaking headlight style. You know, something in the interior. I had a bunch of things to do. So I got to the point with this car that now I was about to think about buying one like after my brake upgrades are done, which they are pretty close to be done. I haven't decided the color yet though, but that's another point. After getting the brake upgrade for Z06 and Grand Sport, that definitely was on my list. But this week, VET Light came out with the C8 style headlights. And boy, as you saw here, it's sick. You have to agree that it's pretty sick, right? And the fact it's pretty sick is just not, it's different though. It's different. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm quite sure a lot of guys who have, you know, they got the C7 style, they're probably gonna think about getting the C8 style. My only caveat, it's the price. It's not available yet. I spoke with VET Light. Also, if you want to help, go to the VET Light Instagram. I'm gonna leave here in the description below, and tell them that you want to see on this channel, so you can help the channel. I can, you know, show them that we have a demand, so people watch and we can make it happen. So I really appreciate your support. Just go there and tag me on their picture of the C8 headlights. I will leave the link below. So just just a simple comment, I really appreciate it. But the only caveat I said, it's the price. They are, I think it's gonna be $1,500. And that's exactly the reason why I didn't put the C7 style headlights on this car before. It's the same, but I'm getting the point that I don't have too much to do with the car, that I can kind of save money to get that, even though I think it's a lot of money. So we're gonna think about it. But let me know what you think about the C8 style headlights for the C6. Now you're gonna ask me why you're gonna change your pretty cool side marks. Those are Oracle lights. I put it when I put the mirror. I think a bunch of you guys forgot that this car has Oracle mirrors. There's a light on it, right? And the side marks are pretty cool though. I really like it. But the problem is this one, it's broke. You see, it doesn't line up. Everything should be lined up now. This one doesn't. Why? Because when I did the can swap, I had to remove that, and a couple of fuse went bad, and I thought it was the side mark. So I put a part, and now it's completely broke. There's no way I'm gonna fix that. So I got that new one from Morimoto. They were running a pretty good deal. Corvette's a Kalau. This is not sponsored by them at all. So let's talk. All right, let's open this bad boy. I got a front and rears because they are different though, and to be honest, I don't know if it's gonna look good because they are kind of different. See, they are black, but they are not completely black. So this is probably the rear one. I'm actually not gonna show exactly how to install because dude, this is a plug and play. If you don't know how to install this, I'm sorry. You need a lot of people for a lot of stuff. And those are the fronts. Yeah, see, they are a little different though. They are black, but not actually black. You see what I'm saying? When I'm gonna put it one next to each other. They are black, but they are like a light black kind of thing. So I'm gonna replace them. It's pretty simple to replace. A couple bolts here. Not bolts, like, you don't even need like to take the wheel off. You just turn the wheel around and there are clamps here. And the back you need to remove the tail light, but I'll show you guys. Those are the clamps. Yeah, see, you don't need to remove everything. Dude, that's how hard. See, this one's like so black. This one, I don't know if it's gonna look as good as this one, but look, even my plug, it's gone. Doesn't look worse. I'm happy with it. It doesn't look bad at all. Like, it still looks black. Let's do the rear. I could keep the rear though, but they're gonna look too different, so let's replace that anyway. See, very simple. That's what I'm saying, like, it's black, but it looks like gray here. But overall, I think fits the car, like, from here, fits the car. I don't think I need to change. So here's the front, so it doesn't look bad, and there you go. So this one is the orange, that one is red. I wish I could get everything red, but nobody does something like that. This is what it is. Bad lights, if you're watching, you know the request. Alright boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think about the new headlights for the C8. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I would love to put my hands on one, and we'll see what happens. Next, brake calipers and Z06 upgrade. Maybe C8 in November, December, I don't know. Maybe it's my Christmas gift. You let me know, alright? I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.